In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I signed, delivered, and got paid for a £2,000 website in just 2 days. And the crazy part is I didn't really do any outreach or build a website from the scratch. If you want to know how I did this, then watch this video until the end. If you are new to this channel, my name is Gautam. Just a few years ago, I was broke and almost homeless with -7 pounds in my bank account. And now I'm making 7,000 to 12,000 pounds every single month with my solo web design and SaaS agency. And I'm also helping solo web designers just like you to land your first or next high ticket clients in just a matter of weeks. But for now, let's get back to the video. And when I said I didn't really do any outreach but still got this client, this is what happened. This particular local client reached out to me on my TikTok because I'm regularly posting videos and giving actual values for local business owners. And I always end those videos with a quick call to action. If you want me to audit your website, or if you want my direct help to fix your website, comment to your website names down below or book a 15-minute free call, link in bio. And this is how I get my clients with the proven content strategy. Signing a client who's actually coming to you for help is pretty easy compared to doing cold outreach and convincing the client who doesn't really want a website. Reason number one, this client actually wants a website. And the reason number two is they have seen your face while you giving valuable information inside your social media, which increases the trust between you and your client and hold you as an authority in the local web design business. And I don't just rely on content, I also get clients through cold calling, Facebook group outreach, networking with local business owners, which is the best way you can get more clients. And the other best way you can get more clients is the referral. And all of these combined is bringing in consistent client inside my web design business. I've already made lots of videos on what I do and how I do it, but if you want my one-on-one help with high-ticket client acquisition strategy, then click the first link in the description and book your discovery call so that I can let you know what's actually going wrong with your current client acquisition strategy and what exactly you should do to close more high-ticket clients like this. There's only 2 slots remaining, so hurry up and book your discovery call today by clicking the first link in the description. This is what I usually do before going into the meeting. Since I'm using Go High Level, I tend to go inside the Go High Level template library and pick a niche which my client is actually asking for and show them the site in the meeting just to increase the trust, saying I have already built some first draft website. Since I put some time and effort into this before even going to the first meeting, it will increase the trust between me and my client. And since I've promised I have built something before the meeting, I'm just letting you know that this is the first draft. The website is not done yet. I'm just going to show you what kind of website you're going to get. And again, I'm just letting you know that this is just a first draft. We can change anything from start to end. This is going to be the basic structure of the site. And by this way, it's really easy to close this client and get the first payment. In this case, my client was asking for a plumbing website. So I went inside the Go High Level website builder, new website, from template, continue. And I searched for plumbing website. And this was the website I was talking about because this website actually looks good. As you can see, this website has a clean look and with a good structure along the whole site. But for the sake of this meeting, what I'm just going to do is go inside the Canva and create some quick logos with my client's business name. This didn't even took me more than 2 minutes, and I just chose a graphic which is this. And I didn't really put any effort on the text. I just typed their business name, which actually turned out to be looking good. And after making use of the template and slapping the logo I just created in 2 minutes, I showed him the website inside the meeting, and he actually ended up liking the first draft. And I said I will quickly start working on the rest of the 4-page because I'm going to build him a 5-page website. And I got the first payment after end of the first meeting. If you want to see one of the actual meeting I got with the client to have a better understanding of the whole process I go through inside the first meeting to close the client and get the first payment, you can watch this video inside my channel after finishing this video. And I went back to the Go High Level web design builder and included some of the effects and animations with the scrolling plumbing service effect, which all the service my client is providing to the client. And I made all the elements of the website interactive with some simple animations. These animations in effect didn't really take that much time to implement. But at the same time, as you know, Go High Level doesn't have this complex animations and effects inside their website builder. So I went inside my custom Go High Level CSS codes, which I built inside the Notion with all the codes for all the animations and effect, which is specifically made for Go High Level website builder. And you also get all the video instruction on how to actually implement each and every animations within your website. If you already have this, then great. And if you don't, you can get this in the second link in the description. So in order to implement the animation, I just click on the dynamic logo effect and I copied the whole code and I went inside the Go High Level website builder, scrolled down below the hero section and added a full width section and added another column. And inside the section, I added this code and opened the code editor, copied the whole thing and paste and save it. And I went inside the Canva and I made these graphics within 10 minutes. It didn't really take much time. What I did is I created a circle and I went inside the element and I started searching each and every plumbing service like pipe repair. You can get the animation, just copy and paste it. And I downloaded all these graphics with transparent background and I added all the image which I created inside the Canva inside this continuous scrolling logo effect, which looks something like this. The only reason I delivered this site in 2 days because I didn't start this site from the scratch. And if I started coding this all the animations in effect, that's going to take more than 2 weeks. And after finishing up with all the animations in effect to make the site more interactive, I started working on replacing all the information the clients want me to put inside the website. And on top of it, I added a booking system and an AI chatbot within the website. And my client was actually happy with the AI chatbot when I gave a live demo inside the second meeting, having a small conversation with the bot. And I showed everything I've done inside the website in the second meeting and he was happy with the site, but he did wanted me to change some stuff like small details inside the website, which didn't really took much of my time. And after finishing everything, again, I sent him a link of the website and we had a quick conversation in the phone and he was happy with the site. And I asked him to release the second payment and only then I connected his domain to the site to make it live, because I have lots of bad incidents with lots of my older clients after finishing and connecting the domain with the site. My clients ended up paying the rest of the money really late and some of them didn't really pay. So it's a headache. So only after getting the last payment, you have to make the website live by adding the domain. So there you go. This is how I signed the client, delivered the website, and I got paid £2,000 in just 2 days. You can make use of all the free information I'm giving you in YouTube and start getting more clients. But information isn't the issue. If information was not the issue, all the people who are watching the YouTube videos on how to make money, they will start making money from the day one. Implementation is the issue. After getting the information, you need to know how to make use of the information to start making the online money. And this is where I can help you. I can help you with implementation, with all the systems and with good mindset. And I can help you get your first or next high-ticket clients in matter of days or weeks. And again, I work with only 4 members at a time and I only have 2 slots at the moment. And if you really want to change your life and start getting more clients and start making this online money, then click the link in the description and book your 15-minute free discovery call and let us work together to build your dream life. So I will see you guys inside the meeting.